How to add email account to mail on iPhone. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Click on Mail. Click on Account. Click on Add Account. Now click on Google. Now add here Gmail account. Then add password and verify it. You will be logged into Gmail account. I am not doing it because I am already signed into Gmail. Now go back. Search Mail. And open it. Now you can see all your mails here. That's how you can add email account to mail on iPhone. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.